Oh, the battery just died on the Sony CyberShot, so I'm back to the Bloggy. So anyways, here's where we're at right now. I've been inching it forward. I now have the headstock end out over the top of the ramp, and I need to get it a little bit further forward, because if I start lowering the front down now, that bar right there is going to get hung up on the top of the bulkhead there. In the back here, because the brakes on Old Yeller don't work, I'm using my stabilizers to just dig in, drag them behind me, and that's arresting my forward momentum, giving me a little bit more control. I've also got blocks of wood under all the wheels. Of course, the car, see, that one's not up against the wheel. These two I move forward because I realized I had to move a lot further forward. So, jump back on the machine and try again. Hopefully, this goes smoothly. My setup is I've got two come-alongs. I've got the bigger come-along in the front, and I've got the smaller one that I own in the back. The capacity on the rear come-along is 1 ton. That's why I have that on the tailstock end of the lathe, because that's got less weight on it. But that's also going to be responsible for stopping the momentum of it trying to get away going down the ramp. I don't know. It's a real nail biter. At least for me. Yeah, I was afraid of that. That big chain fall, it's a Harbor Freight Special or something along those lines. It's only rated for 1 ton. So the one I've got in the back looks a lot smaller and actually is rated for the same capacity, which is kind of funny because you look at how much heavier the chain. Well, actually, I guess the chain isn't that much heavier. It's got smaller loops on the rear one. See, my problem is that it's too far behind. I can't get this out further. Alright, well, try this. What I did was I unscrewed this bracket from here and this bracket from the carriage, or the apron, and gotta get the rear of the waist clear the nose of the tractor somehow. This is not doing well for my nerves. There we go. Might work yet. And this is there to protect the ways. I don't want an extra set of hands here right now. It'd be great. If we could have somebody lower that chain while I hold this. Whoa. Whoa. Well, I'm clearing the front of the tractor now. My safety chain's not doing much now because this went up, so now I've got a full slab here. Happier when those front feet are laying on that board. Whoa. Whoa. Oh, my back. The damn memory filled up on the bloggy camera, so now I threw the CyberShot battery in, but it didn't charge very long, so I don't know how long it's going to last. So I'm not sure what you missed, but basically what I've been doing is I've been alternating back and forth, letting a little bit off from the front one, and then releasing a little bit from the back until tension's off the front one, and then going back and forth. And now I just got the chain snagged on the damn hook-shaped lever for the change gear assembly. Yeah, it's stuck. There we go. Alright, so keep that outside the bulkhead for now, so that doesn't happen again.